Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. I hope all of you are doing well. So we're at the Mombasa airport and we're going to Nairobi like you all saw in my last video. So let's go. Guys, you know, whenever I come to the airport I see all these planes. I always get a feeling that I want to fly a plane one time. I mean, everything is possible in life. Let's see. So hopefully, I have so many cousins who are pilots also, so I'll ask them for help. एक दिन तो उड़ाना है plane. वो small jet भी चलेगा, but I'll try to fly a plane one time. Hi guys.
Hello.
Say hello to everyone. What's your name, captains?
Derek.
And you?
David.
David. You know, I was telling my audience that I really want to fly a plane before I came. Please teach me one thing. I can feel like I've started my dreams.
Okay.
I'm a doctor, but I would like to.
Start your dreams of flying.
Yeah, your life is fascinating. You see the world from top. I see the body inside, the human body inside. So careers are very interesting. So teach me something, at least one thing.
Right side.
Oh my god, these are so many.
Start the ignition.
Okay.
Once it starts, we add the fuel. Power that you want.
You know, whenever the flight is landing, I see the tires and I'll be like, what if those tires come out? Oh my god, I'm hoping to fly one day. Like, you know, you can do like jets. You can fly jets, right? Alright guys, nice to see you.
Alright, let's see.
Bye guys. You know me, I wanted to also become a hostess. But these people, they want beautiful people, slim, beautiful people. What do I do? Oh, my two brothers are here. Okay, guess what? I met the two captains and they taught me how to start the engine. Guys, by the way, my cousin is also going to be a pilot. So मेरी life तो set है. I was telling everyone I really want to fly a plane. Do you know me? Guys, this is Jess.
Hi.
Guys, hi. So guys, I've come to Medi Plaza. So this is actually a medical center, like there's a whole hospital and everything here. So I came to do I didn't come to do work in the hospital, I came to do my hair and everything. So guys, this is Medi Plaza. If any of you want to come and get your I don't know, hair treatments and facial, and there's so many things in this salon, and so all of you can come if you're in Nairobi, and even if you're in Mombasa and you come to Nairobi. It's in Parklands area, and she was so sweet to give me some hair treatment products and everything. So yeah, my hair feels good. I always feel good in Nairobi because it's so cold. I mean, it's not that cold, look at the sun. So guys, after doing my hair and everything, we've come for lunch, and we'll have lunch at SSD, where I'm supposed to be coming at night. At night there's all this opening is done, but there's all this like Diwali market and everything, so we'll come here. Wow guys, यहाँ पे मेला की तैयारी हो रही है. So there's going to be a Sunday mela here tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so they're all preparing, and tomorrow there's gonna be a very big mela. I'll try to come tomorrow and show all of you. So guys, it's a beautiful evening और हम लोग अभी अभी यहाँ से गए थे and we went home. We did some preparations for tomorrow. We have to go somewhere and we're back to SSD and I'm so happy. Everything looks so beautiful at night. There's lights and everything. So yeah, let's go and see inside. It brings back so many memories because I remember we used to sell fireworks in Mombasa and they used to supply to us. So now this is their main displays and everything. It's so massive. बहुत ही बड़ा है अंदर. There's so many things. सब कुछ है. अभी जाके देखते हैं. आप सब भी चलो मेरे साथ. And yeah. So I just entered this hall and there's all these varieties of mukhwas. Guys, just see. All this is like organic and homemade. आप बनाते हो यहाँ पे?
मेरी मम्मी बनाती है.
आपकी मम्मी बनाती है. Wow. Thank you. Already I got one. Which one is this one? Black Rocky mix. Okay. Amazing flavors, guys. Look at this. You can't even think about the flavors. So all of these seeds and mukhwas have different purposes also, no?
All of them
Like
have different healing
medical
purposes.
healing properties also. Amazing. So guys, I'm just here in the aisles of the fireworks and oh my god, I don't even know half of them. There are so many varieties. Like all these aisles are full of fireworks. Like these are the big ones, like Mama Ki Bongs. Guys, unfortunately I wouldn't be allowed to take them in the plane to Mombasa, but I'll take a few and probably parcel them. This is a school. School le jao hai in a bag. So guys, this is an amazing package. Like I've never seen something like this. Usually hum log alag alag leke ek bag mein dal dete, but these are like ready packages for like children. Guys, I can already smell the agarbatti. They're such amazing scent. Whoa, anything lavingia yo. These are lavingias, I remember. So this massive piece has like 1,600. So butterfly. These are like big fountains. All these are big fountains. What is this?
હવે કેમ શરમ આવે રી?
He's so shy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
શું કહેવાનું હતું? નો, ભક્તિ પટેલને શું કહેવાનું હતું? ઓકે ઓકે હા યા કપમાં આઈસ્ક્રીમ આપીશ બીજું શું આપીશ ઓકે ઓકે આઈસ્ક્રીમમાં કપ
શું લઈશ આટલા બધા ફટાકડા यू वांट पॉप-अप्स हैं गाइस सो ये आदमी जो यहाँ पे करने के लिए आया था ये आदमी पनीर खाने के लिए अंकल ने बोल दिया था पहले से कि यहाँ पे पनीर बन रहा है ठीक है सो दैट्स व्हाट ही हैज कम फॉर सो लंच वाज अमेजिंग एंड आई विल हैव एक्चुअली ना यहाँ पे अंकल हैज सच अमेजिंग शेफ्स फ्रॉम वेयर नेपाल such amazing chefs are making such amazing food so we'll have dinner and then we'll go back oh it smells so good क्या बनाया आज आपने चिली पनीर और नान केयर्स फेवरेट आपका नाम क्या है भुवन Guys, these are amazing chocolates for like gift hampers. There's also more gift hampers here, look. So there's also more, there's all these sorts of nuts and fireworks and everything. A cute gift hamper. There's, oh wow, this one's, look at this Buddha. So amazing. I come to Samaj? Yeah. I come. You'll take me to Samaj?
What your mommy?
Where's your mommy?
My mommy is in Mombasa. You know my mommy? You know her?
Yeah.
And you know my sister?
Yeah.
Wow.
See.
Prashi, yes. Wow, Shub is going with so many fireworks. Shub, tell everyone to come and buy fireworks.
Bye.
નાઇસલી
Bye.
Oh my god, everyone's favorite, guys. Pulgari, everyone's favorite. So many varieties of pulgari here. I used to love the long ones. I used to love the really, really long ones. See, there's even a longer one here. Oh my god, I remember these. આપણને આ જોને આવી સેમ બોક્સ આવતા પહેલા યા તરતરિયા ને આ બહુ ગમતું મને हार्ट शेप गाइज अगर आपका दिल दुख आपका दिवाली में दिल अगर दुख गया है टूट गया है तो आप लोग ये दिल का फटाकरा लेके फोड़ दो ठीक है आपका दुख सब फटाकरे के साथ उड़ जाएगा oh they have so many sky lanterns you know in India in Uttarayan we used to do this so much so guys if any of you want these sky lanterns मतलब ऐसे हम लोग oops हम लोग ऐसे आकाश में ऐसे वो उड़ाते हैं ना એક્ઝેક્ટલી હા બાંબુ બહુ આ સૌથી લાંબુ વાળું હોય ને બહુ મજા આવે કેટલી વાર પણ હાથ દુખે એની તક પકડીને પતે જ નહીં આ તોલું હોય હેપી બર્થડે Shruti, guys, she's Shruti.
Hello.
And you're one of the, I mean, you are the owner of this place, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. It's a very huge place, by the way.
Thank you.
So many varieties. Guys, so basically this gives me a feeling of like a Diwali supermarket because they have all these sorts of things. Like, look at all these extracts also. Nithik Son Papdi. We have to, guys, first of all, have you seen my recipe of Son Papdi? Have you seen it? No. Have you all seen my recipe of Son Papdi? Go and see. Guys, the moment I think that I'm done, we move to the next station. So literally we've crossed like 3 stations and now we're in the 4th one. And here they have all this Diwali decoration things and everything. It's all this Diwali decorations, all these rangolis and everything. Wow, Prashi loves these things. You know, I think I should take some for Prashi. Rangoli banavanu badu. So they have, you know, let me tell you, look at this long line of rangoli colors. None of it is repeating. Uncle told me all of them are such nice, unique colors. The stencils make doing. I brought some for Prashi from India, but these are like so big ones. Wow. So they have all these stencils. Nithik, do you guys have diya for home?
Yeah.
Take some diyas. Wow. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this Ganpati Bappa and this holder. All these are so cute. Look at this one. Wow. These plates are really beautiful. So guys, अगर आप लोग को रंगोली नहीं करना है, आप लोग ऐसे भी stickers ले सकते हो. But I would really suggest do rangolis. Look at all the colors and everything they have. Also the diyas, the simple diyas are here. Oh my god, these are such cute stencils. Look, such cute ones. So basically इसमें क्या होता है, for those who don't know, हम लोग को ऐसे सिर्फ रखना होता है, ऐसे रखना होता है. Then let's say आपने ये कलर लिया, then you just put the color ऐसे 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 आप लोग करो और फिर ऐसे लिफ्ट कर दो और फिर आपका ये जो डिज़ाइन है ना वो आ जाएगी. बहुत ईजी है, इट्स सो ईजी टू यूज़ दिस. आप लोग शॉक हो जाओगे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे. Oh, there is also school stationeries. There's all sizes of canvases. Ba, કેમ છો?
Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali.
આ બધી સાડીઝ છે ને આંટી? Full shepherd. Oh my god, wow guys, some of them are so beautiful. Look at this pattern. Nitikam, finally we're in the last station. So like I showed you all those pieces, the show pieces. Look at this Buddhas and everything. So guys, all these are designed clothes. Actually, the owner you met before here, she actually designs the clothes herself. So I think all of these are designed by her, and they look so amazing. Like if you're some people who really like clothes and stuff, you can come and get some kurtis and everything from here. Jambo, how are you? You're selling jewelries. Wow, so many. It will take me time to see all of them, but they're so nice and beautiful. So guys, I've come to the jewelry section and all this line is full of jewelries and they have so many varieties. Like things really look good. Like they have not just Indian style, but I'm saying like Indo-Western and everything. Where are all these jewelries coming from? It's fashion and style. Fashion and style. They're amazing. Seriously. Wow. All the pieces are so unique.
Thank you.
Okay, fashion and style?
Yeah.
So guys, check out this fashion and style on Instagram. I'm honestly giving an honest review. These designs are amazing. Come Tina. Guys, she's Tina.
Hi,
You're-
welcome to Sky Song. This
Yeah.
is the happening place in Nairobi at the moment.
Yeah. So guys, do come here over the whole week now.
Yes.
Diwali is coming.
SSD Sky Song is the place.
Sky corn mithai. This is your specialty? હા કોણ જ છે આખો પછી અંદર અલગ અલગ ફ્લેવર છે ને પિસ્ટાચિયો કોફી હા મને એનીથી કાપ્યું તું ઘરે ટેસ્ટ કરવા ઇટ્સ લાઈક ક્રીમ ઇનસાઇડ હા 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 કિરણ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તમે સે હેલો ટુ એવરીવન
જય સ્વામિનારાયણ બધાને મારા ખૂબ ખૂબ દિવાળી મુબારક સબ બધાને પ્લીઝ અહીં આવીને ચેક કરી જાજો તમને બહુ ગમશે અમારા સ્ટોલ થેન્ક યુ
તમારું નામ શું છે
મારું નામ નિશાલ છે જય સ્વામિનારાયણ પ્લીઝ મોસ્ટ વેલકમ અહીં આવીને જોઈ જાઓ અમે શું રાખીએ છીએ
થેન્ક યુ Welcome to Sky Song at SSD. Nairobi, yes, Sky Song SSD. All of you welcome. Come here, have a great time, have a great Diwali shopping, and all of you please come. Bye. Bye. my god, there's so many people. Guys, there's so many people. I think Pacha Garal. There's parking? Okay, good.